everyone, this is Noah and Dasu, and we're from the Noah and Dasu channel. Today is my mother's birthday, and we're at our grandma's house. And today we made trains out of Play-doh.
I'm still working on it.
This is a freight train. Freight train. I'm going to explain to you a bit about freight trains. So they go all around the USA, carrying goods and like stuff that you need. Maybe they even give you maybe even bring you TVs or food or some things like that,
or things to make your TV work.
Yeah. So trains like these are really useful.
Like packages, toys, or things.
So I'm going to go through the whole.
No, I'm gonna say the ones that I made.
Through this from here to here. This is a Norfolk Southern diesel locomotive. Now, Norfolk Southern trains are. My brother got it on his birthday. And
this one is a freight train.
Yeah, this one is a freight train. He first got one that looks.
It's actually the same one. It's the same one.
This one has great detail. Locomotive. Now this is a BNSF. Now, so if you see trains like this, it says BNSF, and it's also like this. So actually, in real life, it's yellow, and this should be written like orange. And this is a container car, so it carries like containers. It's a really good cargo car. This is I don't know what it's called, but I'm sure
it's called a lumber car.
No, it's not. So it carries logs, lumber, and wood pages, like the boards of wood that you have in your basement or garage, wherever you have them. This is so freight trains. They do not carry passengers.
When you carry freight,
sometimes they carry passengers. Like Union Pacific carries passengers. So I think it's now time for me to say goodbye.
And
I'll see you later. Thank you for watching the video of the long diesel locomotive freight train. We hope we have 1,000 subscribers each year.
It's my turn now.
Bye.
Hi guys. Sorry, I keep on working on this, but
it's okay. So this is a boxcar. It's not like this one. I'm going to tell you about this one later. This has doors on the side to open the things that are inside. And do you know what these are? Handles. There's nothing here to climb on.
If like a locomotive is here, they don't come off. Like
it looks like that. So now I want to put this aside and tell you about this one. There's two kinds. So this is a refrigerator one. It keeps food cold, like foods, stuffings. It has doors on this over here. Do you know why this is here? It's just not freight. There's nothing on top. It's just a colorful top, and it looks like there's freight. So let's put it aside. And I want to tell you this about this one. This is one of my favorites. It is called a refrigerator. Oh, I forgot to make the EOT, the end of train. There it is. Okay. It's usually over here, but this is it. So, this is called a refrigerated flat car, and it carries refrigerators. See it? And these are the refrigerators on top of it. They look like blisters, right? That makes me think it looks like that. Now, I want to put that. Thanks for warning me 2 minutes. And now, this is a rope car. It carries this rope, and it's a rope on wheels. So the rope is off. It will be looking more like with. Let me show you how it will look. Done?
Just say bye-bye.
So this is how it will look without the rope. And this is how it will look with the ELT. This is how it looks.
Okay, thank you everybody.
Thank you everybody for coming and seeing this. This is one of my favorites. And these are the cars I made. Do you like them? I want to show you how I put this aside.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye. Thanks for also watching my video of the
Do you want to see the presents over there? On the next video.
Okay.
Bye. We hope we have 1,000 subscribers to come see this channel, the newest channel ever.
Okay.